Frames. So today I want to show you a special tablet from Pipo, which is the Max M8 Pro. So this tablet is 3G WCDMA, so you can use a SIM card inside. And how special is this tablet? Actually, this tablet has a 9.4 inches display from origin LG, which is quite specific, so I will explain to you later why. So first of all, what we can have a look, so you have the tablet first in one package, and we have a little extra little box. So what do we have inside? So we can have a quick look about all the items inside. So we have earplugs from Pipo, not too bad quality. I've been testing them and it was alright so far. So in ear, and then we do have a USB, micro USB cable, as you can see here. As always, we have the USB female and the micro USB, okay, and the QC pass, just to say about the factory that everything was alright. And we have the DC in charger. So this is a US plug, but bear in mind that as always you can get the UK or the EU plug, when you're ordering on our website, okay. So that's it for the little extra box. Otherwise, let's have a look at the package itself. So Pipo is always making good packaging, very good quality and tough. So if we have a quick look at some specifications on the go, so we have a micro SD cards, 2 megapixels and 5 megapixels, so on the front and on the back, HDMI, GPS, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So 9.4 inches display with a 1.6 gigahertz processor. It is actually a quad-core processor with a Cortex A9, and then if we can have a look here, so this is auto-focusing and flash and Android 4.22. So if we have a little look on the back, we have 16 gigabytes of internal memory, and you can see, as always, we have the addresses and everything. So let's open the box and see what's going on. So this is the tablet. So we have the warranty card, so if anything is happening, just let us know, and we will sort it out for you. Alright, so the tablet, it is actually a nice tablet, nice design, and so as you can see, the shape is quite amazing and it's special compared to other stuff. So let's have a look around first. So we do have here, as you can see, so we can put on this side, it would be better. So we have the money button, escape, DC in, HDMI, USB, host, microphone, TF card, and a SIM card. So on the back, as I said, it's like a 5 megapixels camera plus flash with a reset just here. And here we have the power button, which is quite fancy for once. So as you can see, it starts pretty larger, and then it's getting thinner, on the front. So here you can see it's nice finishing, and here this is like the 3.5 millimeters jack on the side. So on one side we have the power button, on the other side we have the 3.5 millimeters jack, and here the 2 megapixels front camera. Alright, so why is this tablet specific for the display? So this is a 9.4 inches display, which is quite a unique size. You know, you can't find that everywhere, you know, on the market for now. And this is IPS screen, so with a ratio of 16:10, but from LG, which is a low heat, low power consumption, and in the meantime, this is like a touch panel integrated process, which means that the display and the touch panel are only one piece. So, which means like we have these very thin tablets, and in the meantime, you know, this is an anti-glare coating, so for sunshine is very, very nice. Okay, so I think let's stop talking and let's try the tablet. Okay. Here we go. So this tablet is 538 grams, so it's pretty heavy, but it's nice design and it's nice quality and it's pretty tough, you know, believe me. So the tablets from Pipo always have a bit of time to start up, but then, you know, it's very, very fast. Alright, so here we go. So, as you can see, it's a bit different with a lot of widgets, which looks like a bit like a Windows 8. Kind of, but this is Android 4.22. okay, so what I want to show you first is actually the settings. Okay, so as you can see, everything is inside. We have the Play Store, we have everything, Google Chrome. So let's have a look at the settings. So what do we have? So we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, multi-windows, so multi-window tasks. So you can even use, for example, floating video, so you can watch a video and check your emails at the same time, which is pretty nice. Sound, display, HDMI, screenshotting, storage. The storage is 16 gigabytes. So we can check it here. So as you can see, 16 gigabytes. And possibility of putting inserting a TF card or micro SD card until 32 gigabytes. The battery is 6500 mAh, which allows you to play games for maybe 6-7 hours and HD videos around, yeah, maybe 8 hours, you know, probably. So languages. So Pipo is very nice with that. They provide you with heaps of languages, so you can check the whole list in here. You will probably find yours. Oh. As you can see here. Okay, so and then the same basic options, even developer options. You have heaps of stuff you can set up and personalize, customize. Okay, so that's it for the quick presentation. Now what I want to show you is actually the Antutu benchmark. So a benchmark, just to remind again people, so this is an app which allows you to to check the device info, and in the meantime to test everything, the specifications and the performances. So we already did it for you, so we got a score of 19,242. So if we go to ranking and to the bar charts, so we can see that we're not too bad, you know. So 20,000 is actually a good score. So if we go to the device info, that's what we want to see. So the Pipo M8 Pro 4.22 Android. So the processor is a RK Rockchip 3188 ARM Cortex A9. So with a Mali 400 MP GPU graphic processor. Resolution of 1280 by 800. 5 megapixels on the back, as I said before, 2 gigabytes of RAM, which is very nice, and 16 gigabytes of internal memory. Quad-core processor, clocked at 1.6 gigahertz. So Mali 400 for the graphic processor, as I said, 9.4 inches display, very unique size, and 160 dpi, which is average. 2 megapixels camera in the front. On the back, don't forget that you have the flash integrated. So 510, actually it's 538 grams. So no GPS and no AGPS. For the sensors, as always, you know, Pipo is very nice with that. So we only have the temperature sensor and the relative humidity sensors, which are absent. So this is it for the specifications of this tablet. So we have here, actually, like I didn't show you before, but we have like 2 front speakers, which is nice because sometimes they're on the back or on the side, but on the front is actually very nice. That's what we want. What I want to show you as well is the multi-touch. So we can check it out. So as you can see, it's a 10 touch IPS screen, so capacitive screen. So if we go back, here, and I want to show you that. So the root access. So here, you are root. So what does it mean for you? So I already explained before in some of the videos, but root access, if the tablet is rooted, means that you can actually change the firmware, put whatever Android version on it that you want, and you have more access and more permissions to the system. So, and it will not void the warranty if you change anything, which is very, very nice. Okay. So, if we go back now, let's have a look at everything. So you can see now we have internet actually. So it's doing everything. So I want to show you a quick video. So you can have a look here to check everything. So let's put the volume. Oh, sorry, wrong one. So we put the volume to the maximum. So you can see the speakers. The sound is even like too powerful actually for the speakers. But as you can see, the screen is very nice. Responsive. see the anti-coating, anti-glare effect, you know, which is very nice, you know, even with reflections, you know, you can see, you can really watch it nice. So you can have it. So you can see, it's very powerful anyway. Saturated a bit, so we can even decrease, and that's fine, you know. So it's very, very great. And the quality of sound is very nice. So you have to bear in mind that for some videos you may have to decrease or turn down the volume a bit, you know. So that's how it works, you know. Alright, so that was just to show you quickly. Okay, what we can check now is actually, you know, how about the performances of the gaming experience, you know. So I've downloaded before Asphalt 8, which is like a free game available on the Play Store. Great graphics and very nice game usually. So let's have a look and see what is going on. So here we go. Go. So as you can see, it's not too bad. It's not like doing too much. A bit sometimes, but in fact, you know, it's very nice. So you can see that you can have a gorgeous game experience, you know, with these tablets. So it's very nice. Alright. So as you can see, you know, you have no problem to play. Everything is working fine and very nice. Okay. All right. Okay. So here we go, and you can see here you have like a lot of different widgets that you can actually personalize, and it's very nice. You can access to everything whenever you want. You can set up. So that's it for this tablet basically. So what I forgot to say, maybe it's like we can have a quick look in here if you want. Okay, so this is a nice back cover. Okay, and it's kind of plastic, you know, but a tough plastic, you know. So here we go for this tablet. So then this is Pipo Max M8 Pro WCDMA, all frequencies, so you can use it everywhere you want in the world, almost. With a very thin design. Why? Because of this special screen, which is origin LG, so 9.4 inches, which is a very unique size. So the display and the touch panel are just one piece, so with an anti-glare coating for sunshine. We have a 6500 mAh battery, which allows you to play a game usually for 6-7 hours. You can use multi-windows, so you can, you know, use the floating videos, for example, and you can check your emails or work on Microsoft Office or whatsoever, you know, and watch a video at the same time or do other stuff. Dual front speakers, be careful not make them saturate, and HDMI, TF card, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, however no GPS, 2 GB of RAM with 16 of internal memory, and that's it, you know, for this tablet. So we are selling it on our website at www.electroframe.com at 160 euros, which is a very good bargain for this quality. And if you have any questions or any whatsoever, just leave us a comment below this video, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. You can find the link in the description of this video, and we'll lead you to our website right away. So I hope you enjoyed, and I want to tell you see you later and for the next one, and bye bye.